Welcome to my hometown of Dallas, Texas. It's a WOW Airlines destination, and we've got time for a quick tour to show you just a little of what Big D has to offer.
Since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages in your passport. Hey, you with some girls I never seen before.
So Dallas is a city known for many things. One of those things is art, and what better way to see art on display than for free? DART is the city's public transportation, but if you're anything like me, you would just rather take a bike. Bike riding is becoming what we do in Dallas. For about $1 a ride, you can get where you need to go. Tacos taste better in Texas, and for us locals, we know Fuel City is the place to go. This is Deep Element Entertainment District that attracts us locals because it's vibrant, it's edgy, you can bar hop, and there's really good food.